In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and let me show you how to activate RTL layout direction on the following device. So at first, just open list of all apps, go to the settings, then find and pick developer options, and now locate force RTL layout direction. And here it is. So if you'd like to activate such layout, just click here. And as you can see, from now on you can use it, and it's perfect for all left-handed people. You can make your life easier by using this feature. Then whenever you would like to turn it off, just unmark it. And that's it. So this is it. This is how you can activate RTL layout direction. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.